everyone. So our project is Vivanna, and we have made a user-friendly website. And my team members are me, myself, Pravalika, and this is Kirti, Vamshi, Krishna, Srijan, and Gaurav. So we have made a. So our introduction is like we made a website which is very useful for the contractors and the builders. So it will be very easier to get in contact, showing their interior details, exterior details, and everything. So our website is like comparing to the existing ones. We made also like our proposed is giving out the worker details who are working in our construction site and get in contact with the builder or the contractor. So the customer when they come to us and reach us, like we show all the contractor details and supervisor details, worker details, everything including the manager and CEO of the Vivanna. So like our project this is giving out the worker details is the proposed system. So I would like to hand over to Kirti now.
There are several existing systems like Home Depot, Plan Grid and Builder Grid, which offers a wide range of specifications like product details, orders and pricing options. The customer may take rental or they can purchase ratings and reviews of the different platforms and the materials of different construction materials. So this is quite difficult for the user to compare the ratings and reviews somewhere else and the details of the construction materials and somewhere else.
When we talk about the advantages of the website, it gives a comprehensive information about the workers who are registered in the website, so that the users who are building a new house in the new locality, it will be helpful for them. And when we talk about the flowchart of website, there will be a worker and a user. If after clicking to the user, there will be a new user or already existing user. For entering the new user, we should enter the password for getting the main page. For already existing user, just enter the password and the details of the user, so that they will be getting into the main page. Same as this, it will work for the worker also.
Go. So when we talk about the existing systems, we also talk about the gaps in it. So the first gap in our existing system is the customization. Now, if we talk about the website, the user interface is the main thing. So the user gets to customize itself to get the information, to get its mail address and all. So it's come under the customization. So this is the important thing which some of the websites lack in it. Then we have the real-time data updates. Now, if a worker is working or not, he's not working or he's available, the status anything, or the email address if it is changed or not, or the mobile number it is changed, that things are shown up by our website, which are also lack in some of the existing systems. Then communication and collaboration. This is actually the main note of our website. That is to communicate with our workers and the contractors, to set a communication between them, so there are no miscommunications and the workflow can go smoothly. Then the data security. Obviously, if we are taking the data and all of our users, of our workers and the contractors, then we also ensure the safety of it, and we see to it that no data is corrupted or any redundancy is added to it. So with this, our website can help us to form a communication between them and to get the workflow done, and it can be helpful to the users to get their home built on their own, in their own mindset and their own ideas.
Yeah, coming to the website that we have made, it generally consists of a main page. Thereafter, it has one is for the user login and one is for the worker login. Coming to the user login, the users are the persons who want to know the details regarding the various technicians like plumbers, electricians, and architects, etc. Whereas workers are the people who enroll in our website for their employment. Whenever people want to hire them, they could know the details of the workers if they could enroll in this platform. Coming to user login. In user login, whenever you click on the user login, it would ask whether you are an existing user or a new user. If you are a new user, it asks for the registration. If you are an existing user, then you need to enter your email ID. For example, I have entered my email ID, which is already registered on this platform. Then I have opened this. This is the main website page. This is the main website page. This is the home page where you can have various taskbars such as home, about, services, projects, logout. Here, services provides the details of the various workers. Okay, coming to coming to this about us. In about us, we describe about what's the experience of our project. Here we have how much duration of experience in this field, and coming to the projects that we have successfully completed, as well as the satisfied clients and the active workers who are currently working on this platform. In our services, it includes the interior, exterior, contact, plans, color combos, and worker details. In interiors, it would describe about the interior designs of the various designs that were performed by the currently working workers in their previous projects, and exteriors describes about the exteriors of the house in the same way as interiors. The contact details consist about the details of the admins of the page. Whether you have any report to issue, then you can report the admins. And next plans, coming to various plans of the house, architectural plans, as well as color combos. Use the color combinations of various color combinations to the walls, which makes them awesome. Coming to worker details, this is the main motto of our project. In worker details, whenever I want to know worker details of various people, then I could here the workers are classified into various categories, like you see the architect, builder, interior designer, vehicle services, material supplier, plumber, electrician, as well as painter. Here we have taken 8 types of workers. So for example, whenever I wanted details about for an interior designer, then I have clicked about interior designer. So in our database we have various we have the tables regarding the different databases like users and the workers. So whenever we click on a particular type of the role, the workers which are related to that role are displayed along with their ID, name, address, phone, and their role, as well as their email ID. So the worker can, the client or the user can directly contact the worker who are in their location easily.